You can see that after importing the demo, you can see that the color and the font is different than the original demo. So I'm going to show you that how you can guys fix this. We are still working on this. Maybe within 1 or 2 days we will be updating a new versions of Axtra where we will solve this issue. So to solve this problem, just to go to the admin panel, and you can click on edit with Elementor with any pages. You can go with any pages, and then go to the go to this and click on the site settings, and you can see that we have the global color options and a global font option. So from the global color, just click on this and reset the color. You can do this for all of the others color, that reset and reset. Okay, now just update this. So we have changed the color options. Now we have to change the font option as well. So go to the global font, and then from here, now the Roboto is selected. Just select the default font. Default. Okay, now change it. Default. Now change it default. So all of the font, we just need to change it to default, like for the primary, secondary text, and also the accent form. It's still default. Okay, so and that's it. Now come here and just reload it. Okay, see, boom. Now it's now same as the demo. So what is the step? So go to the WordPress admin and click on any other page. You can just I'm gonna click on the About Us page. Click on About Us page, and then it will be opened with the Elementor, and then from this menu just click here, click on this site settings, and we have to just choose the global color to reset and global fonts to default. That's it, and then it will be same as you can see on the demo. Okay, thanks for checking.